Most people talk about AI like it's something from the distant future. But right now, in 2026, AI is already paying people every single day. In this video, I'm going to show you 7 completely free AI tools that can realistically make you $50 or more per day. Even if you're a total beginner with no coding experience or previous skills. And you have to watch until the end, because I'll show you exactly how to pick just one of these tools and turn it into your very first $50 day. Let's get into it. Tool number 1 is an AI content writer. You can use this to write blog posts, product descriptions, YouTube scripts, and social media posts for other people. It's super simple. Step 1. Go to freelance sites like Upwork or Fiverr and search for blog writing or product description. You'll see tons of jobs. Step 2. Take one of those job examples, feed the information and the requirements into the AI, and it will generate a clean, well-written article in just a few seconds. Step 3. You just need to edit the output a little bit to add that human touch. Deliver it to the client and keep the cash. You can easily charge $20 to $50 per article. Just think about it. 2 or 3 articles per day and you're already at $50 or more. It's a numbers game, and with AI, you can produce content at a speed that was impossible before. Tool number 2 is an AI design tool that makes amazing YouTube thumbnails, TikTok covers, and social media posts. Let's be real, most content creators absolutely hate designing. It takes time, and it's a skill they often don't have. This is where you come in. If you become the thumbnail person for just 5 small YouTubers, charging a very reasonable $10 per thumbnail, that's $50 a day, easy. When you reach out to them, show them before and after examples of their current thumbnails versus what you can create with AI, and make sure to mention that because you use AI, you can deliver the final design in under 10 minutes. Speed and quality are a killer combination that clients can't resist. You're solving one of their biggest headaches for a low price. Tool number 3 is an AI video editor. These tools are incredible. They can automatically cut out silent parts of a video, add dynamic captions, and even reformat long videos for platforms like YouTube Shorts or TikTok. Right now, short-form creators are absolutely everywhere, and they are desperate for content. You can offer a simple package. I'll turn your 10-minute talking head video into 5 viral shorts, complete with engaging captions. You can charge anywhere from $25 to $50 per batch. The AI does about 80% of the heavy lifting, the cutting, the captioning, all of it. You just need to review the clips, make a few tweaks to make sure they flow well, and export them. It's a highly in-demand service that AI makes incredibly efficient. Tool number 4 is an AI voice generator. This one is for anyone who wants to start a channel but doesn't want to be on camera. With AI voices, you can run completely faceless YouTube channels. Think about motivational videos, top 10 list videos, or daily news summaries. The process is straightforward. You can use an AI writer for the script, then use an AI voice generator to record the narration, and finally, add some royalty-free stock footage or simple animations. Just like that, you have a video ready to upload. Your channel can then earn money from YouTube ads, affiliate links in the description, and even brand sponsorships, all without you ever showing your face or even using your own voice. Tool number 5 is all about AI automation and workflows. This is a bit more advanced, but the payoff is huge. These tools connect different apps together to automate repetitive tasks. Here, as a simple example, imagine a customer fills out a Google form on a small business's website. Instantly, an AI can write them a personalized welcome email. Send them a PDF brochure and add their contact info to a marketing list all automatically. You can charge local businesses $100 to $300 to set up just one of these automations. For them, it's a no-brainer. They pay you once, and it saves them hours of manual work every single week. You're not just selling a service, you're selling them time. Tool number 6 lets you build simple AI chatbots that answer frequently asked questions on websites. Think about all the local businesses in your area. Restaurants, gyms, hair salons. They all get the exact same questions over and over again. What are your hours? What are your prices? How do I book an appointment? You can set up a basic chatbot one time that handles all of these common queries. Then, you charge a monthly recurring fee for providing 24/7 customer support. Even if you only charge $50 a month, getting just 5 clients means you're making $250 in passive income. You do the work once, and the money keeps coming in. Tool number 7 is an AI research assistant. These tools can sift through massive amounts of information on the internet in minutes. You can sell a service like, I'll research the top 10 products in your niche, or I'll analyze your top 10 competitors, or I'll find 10 high-potential keywords for your business. You deliver a clean, organized report in just a few hours. The AI does all the heavy, time-consuming research. Your job is to take that data, organize it neatly, and present it in a way that's easy for the client to understand. Businesses and entrepreneurs are always looking for a competitive edge, and you can be the one to provide the valuable insights they need. Okay, so you've seen 7 powerful tools. But information is useless without action. Here's how you actually start. First, pick just one of these tools. Don't try to do everything, just pick one. Second, decide who you want to help. Is it YouTubers? Local businesses? Online coaches? Is specific. Third, create one simple, irresistible offer and start sending 10 messages per day to your target clients. That's it. Consistency is key. If you want me to do a full step-by-step deep dive tutorial on any one of these AI tools, comment deep dive below along with the tool number you're most interested in. I'll make a dedicated video for the most requested one. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to Dollar Mine Network for more real ways to build your income with AI in 2026.